Making money without showing your face on YouTube seems near impossible, especially with YouTube continuing to tighten the guidelines every year, but it's possible as long as you have the right information. In today's video I will be giving you the exact information on the best niches in 2022 that you can use to make money without showing your face. In each niche I will show you a channel example that is making a decent amount of money without showing their face, and I will tell you exactly how you can create content in that niche. Number 1 is technology. Now the reason I love the technology niche on YouTube so much is because the technology niche is one that isn't going to disappear anytime soon. The technology niche is one that has a ridiculous amount of sub-niches, meaning that there is a vast amount of opportunity for anyone that wants to create content in that niche, which also means that competition isn't really a problem. The reason why it's also good is because the technology niche on YouTube is one that constantly has new trends, and if you know, YouTube trends are a great way to explode your channel growth. For example, do you remember fidget spinners? I'm sure everyone did. If you had a technology channel that could somehow take advantage of fidget spinners back when they were popular, I'm pretty sure that you could have made a huge amount of money, and these videos are somewhat popular in 2021. Just take a look at this video and it has actually done well on a technology channel. So you can clearly see that the technology niche most certainly has a lot to offer in 2022, especially since society is actually moving more towards a technology. Especially with electric cars, Elon Musk, Apple's new phones, the new PlayStation 5, technology just keeps on going, so these channels will only get more popular. An additional reason as to why these channels are so successful is because these channels actually have a high CPM. The CPM is right around $10 to $15, which is quite high, meaning that you don't actually need to get that many views to get a profitable channel. Therefore, starting a technology channel is one of the best channels you can start to make money on YouTube without showing your face. The next niche is the automotive niche. The reason I love the cars is because cars are what I like to call a stable niche. Cars are always going to be a part of society. The channels around cars always have something new to talk about. There are so many different niches of car videos on YouTube that you can easily create content, especially if you aren't showing your face, and that's something that people don't want to do. All you need to do is find the right sub-niche within the cars category on YouTube. One sub-niche that has exploded in recent years is the niche of making videos on the automaker Tesla. Tesla is literally the most popular and most valuable automaker in the entire world, and it comes to no surprise. Now just look at this channel called Tmayo Tesla. This is a channel which is focused on creating content on Tesla motors and what's happening with a car company. The thing is, they aren't the only channel doing it, there are others too. It is possible to create channels surrounding other car makers such as Bugatti or Lamborghini, and then possibly grow those channels and expand them to more categories. What's also good is that the CPM of car channels having a decent CPM, so the opportunity to make money with cars on YouTube is absolutely great. If you are very serious to work and grow on YouTube, then please check the link in description that will help you to grow on in it. The next niche on YouTube is going to be the gaming niche. The gaming niche on YouTube is by far one of the easiest niches to make money on YouTube without showing your face. The reason the gaming niche is most likely the best niche to make money without showing your face is simply because gaming is something where people aren't essentially interested in you, they are more interested in the gameplay that is being recorded on screen. Now what's good about gaming is that the majority of games that popular are free. For example, recently this year a popular game that came out was Among Us. This game blew up like crazy, gaining hundreds of millions of views on YouTube, and if you downloaded the game on mobile it was completely free, and that's the thing with gaming, you can easily get started on your phone for free, and there are many different gaming niches you can choose. But the thing about gaming though is that the CPM isn't as high as categories such as business, technology and finance. The CPM is a lot lower, but gaming channels on average get much higher views than business channels. Some of the most popular channels on the platform are gaming, and that's because it has one of the biggest audiences on YouTube and it's still growing. So starting a gaming channel without showing your face is something you can easily do. If you are very serious to work and grow on YouTube, then please check the link in description that will help you to grow on in it. So thank you for watching, and if you get some knowledge from these video, then don't forget to subscribe and like the video.